Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join DeadRails Discord server. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up your browser and go to roblox.com. From here, go to the search bar at the top and search for DeadRails. Click on the DeadRails game, and then from here, you are just going to scroll down until you see the link to the Discord server. Click on that. That's going to redirect you here. It's going to bring you into your Discord where you can accept this invite here, and you are then going to be in the server. As you can see, if you are having troubles with that link working, the page that it opens up here, you could also copy this link here, and if you go to there plus add a server here, then go to this join a server, just simply paste the link here and tap on this join server, and that's pretty much it. That's how to join DeadRails Discord server. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.